Hola bafethu kunjani? Ntoza abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu, naniyazi angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no
Sharp Makhosi kunjani cameraman team mfokaswela mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one.
even if ungaba recruiter namhlanje. That won't help you.
It's a very special one bafethu. Ibalulekile lento esiyenza namhlanje. It's a very special one.
Namhlanje no one here is safe.
Ziyakhala.
Yeah. On today's episode, Bafethu, we are looking at the first derby of the season.
Yeah.
That's the biggest game in South African calendar. Yeah, that's the fact.
The biggest.
Yeah, we don't know where to take this because leading up to this game, both our teams lost and they crashed out of the tournaments that they were playing.
Correct.
The Chiefs being careful, Pirates, Nedbank. So that just makes this game more interesting because Ageko or bigger than someone else. No one is favorite to call it the right way. Yeah. Ageko the confidence. So can just do I like because we are wounded. Yeah. Mucabanga ungaset up.
Hey, my brother, my friend, I think going to the derby, it's not an easy task where I can tell you what you look head up, you know. No man for work head. But you want to move now hit you know, so it's gonna be difficult. But if we look at the honor Pirates, we know it's a team that it is in an emphasis who's full of winner. Yeah, but when my mistake, Shaq captain.
Captain.
Uda Silva must capitalize with captain.
Yeah.
Uban captain okam.
Please.
All right. So we ngena ngosibisi. Ifadlala.
Yeah.
If you have a smart coach, you don't need to squeeze in this game.
Hey, angiboni engadlala, ngimbona engadlala, but ke.
Oh, but yeah, that's the right conversation. We're starting in the back, right?
Yeah.
It's a meaning ngokushaya kwesibisi. So asithole umuntu ushaye mina. Uyongishaya kuphi?
Inkinga yakho wena awunawo nane solid back four. So sizokushaya phi at the back.
Right. But you raise a good point, which I'm like, solid back four. Because if you look at the game, Chiefs are I used to play Miguel Makat, and I kept my clean sheet consecutive on the line. And then some people, because fans, they talk, but Miguel is making mistake. I agree, he does make this mistake. But his leadership and being on the game, it does need him, you know. So I mean, I wouldn't be surprised actually if he's coming back also to that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think if you're gonna use Lama fullbacks out too that you used, we game midweek against Stelis. Hey, it'll be interesting, especially Solomon Ngale, because I think that young man, he showed how do you play a fullback or like the timing.
Yeah.
Because ubemhlula ngayo yonke into and emhlula ngebhola lisey'nyaweni zakhe. Yeah. So so if you're going to play such players, I hope even the wingers, Borele, with Pirates, they started this thing because you might even surprise us. Abenegement Solomon. That's because Urele, that time. He can't afford exact. You see what reputation is on the line. Yeah. You have that good game. You guys Solomon's Solomon's was there because of Magilure. But it was a game of consequence. Everyone switched on.
Correct.
Everybody made up his stand. Exactly. But if Naurele will study indlela adlala ngayo la mjini, I think kuzoba i-threat because one thing about Mfokeng, ibhola ulibeka on a 50-50 level all the time. So there is a strength sakho Solomon kancane. Kanti if uzomncisha ibhola umnika umzimba, it's a different story.
Yeah.
That's what that guy where Stellis was doing.
I hear you. So manage, angikubuza a question,
Yeah.
conversation. So ngithi kuwena, since when you are saying Kaizer Chiefs that even have a back four is solid, right? Which means when okay, we ask it's okay, I wanna defense a solid. Then we move. Some is sweet.
Just win.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pound to pound. Can you match me? Now I don't even know who's there. But I know there's my boy.
I think a battle as serious is
Yeah.
going to be a swing.
Yeah.
To be honest, because the Pirates, I would say abadlali bakhona, even the back, they are more forward thinking in terms of starting the play, building up from the back.
Yeah.
So that will help us. But in terms of layer three yakho that you played first half against Stellenbosch, I'm talking about
my boy
Chislett.
Chislett.
Yes, if you're going to play those three,
Yeah.
it would be more competitive. I
Yeah.
wouldn't lie to you. But if or else Mabaso, even Ndlovu, I think it's a problem with these two. Well, ungcono even Mabaso, but with uNdlovu, yes, uyadlala uNdlovu and uyapressa, but ufana nomunye which is uMaboye
Yeah.
phakathi kulapho,
Yeah,
even
yeah.
noMabaso
So you
ufana nomunye, so manje you have two
abantu abadlala same.
exact. Kanti these three, they are
My
all
capabilities are
different.
ahlukene.
Yes, bayakomplementana kahle kahle. So yeah, with that being said, nami ke
Nah, I was coming there. That's why I
Khuluma-ke
was
kodwa.
no, I was gonna ask you, Guti. Now, especially for me, you haven't been impactful. That's why I'm glad you even losing these two games consecutive. Because there are key players that we cannot see when it's this week.
Yeah, hopefully coach realizes ukuthi he needs the players that we've all been wanting.
Let's name them.
Umbata, for example.
Mdlalo Bafana Bafana.
Yeah, Umbata. And also, I think Umaswanganye going to this game, I would like to see him just
From the bench.
coming from the bench.
Yeah.
Yes, not to discredit him. He's done well.
Yeah, he's
been
improved.
yes,
Improved.
but he just lacks consistency when it comes to big games.
Yeah.
We saw him against the
Sundowns.
Sundowns, you know. Yeah, so I would like to see whether Orele Mfokeng Noma or Apolis driving that number 10 position, because they always bring a lot of threats for us.
Yeah.
So okay, Makaula as well. Yeah, Makaula is a little bit shaky, but we can work. We can work. I think he's coming wrong again.
But coming from an injury, for the games he played,
for me, he started with the right mentality and he was complementing the team well, regardless of what we injured. But he looked fit, he looked ready. But little by little, he's making these mistakes. Norm now, and that is where but I'm sure is coming.
Surprise.
Yeah. But it's not only those two players, but we have Abo Silep in that position. We have Abo dancing. I fail to understand now with why it's not about.
But we're going to a derby here, right? Would you think these players who are mentioned now is more like me? We have players came back, but do you think going to the derby, do we need to include this player that we haven't seen in a while?
Well, yeah, we don't really need Utansin, but I think Utansin has always been part of the team. And I think his crime, I would say, he scored against Sundowns. That's
confident
when coach just ever since that day.
We can't even fault him. Yes.
So honestly speaking, but I would like to see him back, even if he is given just a few minutes,
20 minutes.
Yes, because we are building players. Yeah, we always crying out about young players not given opportunities. In the biggest stages, PSL. Yeah.
So when a Saturday on the season we expect to Masong be a bench.
Yeah.
Udlala ngobani ngoMakhawula nobani.
Makaula, Umbatha, either or between Relem Fukeng and Apolis.
Mina I'm expecting my boy obvious. But I'm not sure if it's gonna be possible to because these guys they're cowards. I feel like they will come up. You'll see Ndlovu coming from nowhere. And Ndlovu will come back.
Yeah.
And then Mabaso can come in. And then these two guys that we mentioned anymore, which is like they can come from the bench. But I don't know why would it do that? Because Lamake Manje, Basaban. You can find them better coming from the bench. You did why? Unnecessary substitutes.
For me, I don't mind Tolumbata coming from the bench.
But we are loser.
I wouldn't say
we are loser.
I wouldn't say Umbata is not match fit. For me, he's still match fit.
Yes.
The last game he played was playing against Chakuma.
Correct.
At Moses Mapid. So I'm ready to see Umbata. Whether he comes in as a substitution, I'm ready to see him.
You're comfortable with him and prove himself.
Yeah.
Because I think the last game we spoke about, we even mentioned with Parrot Nimbad.
Yes. We do.
You know?
Yeah.
Okay, moving from a win again. Let's attack the charge. Attack the charge.
For me, I would like to see Mahopa back. I don't know, but I just read an article this morning but he boost on returnees and is mentioned as part of the returnees. My question is, we didn't know what he was injured, but we know what now he returns back. It just
doesn't
looks
make
like
sense.
it's angazi ngizothini.
Uzobuya sekuyidabi.
But naye futhi I would like to think ukuthi is match fit.
Yeah.
Hopefully, even if it starts for me, I don't have a problem because one thing about Mahopa, he makes those defenders anga start at the back. I think the only downside is the fact that Ageko positional. We would find him on the left. Agami like Mbutuma does. Yes.
Yeah, with me, my guy, obviously, the silver. But with flavors. Now, Lilepo will be there in the game because for me, it's a coach's favorite. But I don't expect him to finish the dad. Keep it, It's a pity Ikodaru is still injured. Mabash. But if it was fit, I would like to see the likes of Ikodaru, Even Utuba, Utuba can come in and punish your space, I want to see those changes.
Utuba uzosilimaza. Alright, tell you about that. Wasilimaza Lumakawulu Utuba.
No, it was a fight between him and Umbogazi, so it happened otherwise. But on a serious note, actually, I would even play Udubri again. Where he missed good chances. But for himself to carry Wuleo position and do that, these are not the same.
Therefore, Mangago's.
What do you think? Players, you remember Mbutuma once or lose a penalty? Or Yamala, like, I'm careful. Yes. But your money to con still is there and it's comfortable. Good player, it doesn't give you that what you want. But the biggest thing, let's predict my scores. Who's winning this one?
No, we can't predict scores without answering what wingers. That is the excitement game young. That's where Milbanjo Vilagaz gets the Sponel, Banjo Mdume society. That's where everyone is excited to see what goes on because these are young kids abalinga now our age, they playing for big teams.
For me, it's difficult to predict. But all I can tell you, Fulham will be there. Hey, nah.
Yeah, ne.
Man, I'm unpredictable. Now I can't even predict something like that. But Fulham will be there. Fulham will be there.
Okay.
Lilepo will be there.
Oh, no, Lilepo.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. I would like to
feel like I will come from the bench.
Explain anyana
No,
ukuthi how do you see them being effective kanje?
uyazi mina ama-coaching nginotisile amagwala.
Mm.
Because for me, it's like they were supposed to be there if we believe in them. But more believer for somebody. It's like if you believe in somebody, I'm gonna be corner today, I'm gonna be corner tomorrow. Until I went the right wrong. But you go to no more the wrong. I gotta be a PG. I gotta be corner go traveling squad. You understand? Go match the squad reko. So meaning yazi ukuthi le game le critical ngendlela ukuthi uzoba khona uphule mode uzoba khona futhi.
Okay, asike sibuke i-strength sa-Pule Mode. Ikuphi la khona strong khona?
Pule mode for me. Uyakwazi ukuwinela ama-set piece. Right, because we are kitchen on the ball. He's like he's a player who wanna do more 1v1. Bese bamshaya mhlambe for example. But on a good day, he can score goals. In a good day, he get himself in those positions. But here, his advantage. Speaking about him being good, but sometimes when the matter decision not difficult for year himself, and the team you give a bed. Now we're supposed to pass the ball. You wanna do too much. Those are the things I tried. But yeah, he's a fighter.
But fella on our previous video emphasized that by coaching. So I was thinking ukuthi uzosho kanjalo bese uthi that's where the coaching comes in.
The problem ungasho njalo.
Why?
What I've already said it. And manje, I was expecting a statement the Chiefs would those coaches are called. But they are still here. So because for the fact that they are still here, I know no coaching is happening. We ask today, tomorrow, Saturday, yes, we will need players themselves to think smart.
Yeah.
And know they are playing against Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Games we know wrong. Sports those combos what can so. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a very good
Well,
game.
my wings will mention.
But I'm like my wings. I would like to see Moremi back.
Starting the game.
Yes, I would like to see him starting the game.
Yeah.
Honestly, the downside, Moremi, I think it's overdoing one and the same thing.
Same Napoli.
Which is sometimes you have to be predictable, man. We know what you want to shoot. No, I want to see a mature Moremi. He's giving us those games. I want to see Apolis. Either Apolis or fucking what these guys they interchange the position. So you wouldn't really predict who was playing who. Yeah. But I would like to see those. Anyways, that's our main lineup. They contribute a lot because Apolis alone, I think he helps us in a ball. That guy hardly loses the ball unless he makes a wrong decision. But Onyawen, he hardly loses the ball. Yeah, that's what I like about him. He creates chances by just being focused and doing what he wants to do with the ball.
It's gonna be interesting,
yeah, it's going to be interesting. But into bengifuna siyibuke after this sesiyivala before the prediction.
Yeah,
it's the fact that I think indlela esidlala ngayo it's a bit similar. It says that the Pirates is in a better position given what we have achieved this season already. So you will say, "Hi Pirates," but sidlala speed with a lot of speed, just like you guys. Maybe say to see more controlled. Let's say no, you come first half. I'm sure first half
will go all out.
I would say 60%. My prediction 60%. You will be dominating
and
us,
getting the chances.
Yes.
Second half is we are down and out.
Yes, and then slowly fading again in.
And then concede this goal that I useless. Like, oh, this goal we didn't see coming. Type of thing.
Yeah,
I agree with that. I agree. I think but that is where coaching must happen. Because you're halftime you're resting, you get new tactics.
Exactly.
Go to the second half.
Exactly.
But Chiefs doesn't get that because each and every game they start good in a pace, second half is gone.
Yeah. Another thing I add that it's the substitution. I'm a substitution. Yes, they are critical. Ngiqinisile futhi. Hey, we seem to lose it, especially with you guys,
Yeah.
because you know, ngathi team is more solid. It's just that maybe there are individuals that we need to be more forward than the others. Like you Mbatas, Babalayo, even the Udlamin. We would like to see Udlamin. He's a very creative player. Just that he's a bit slow, but if you believe in him, he will give you
Yeah,
something. On your side.
Hayi no, mina agree. Indaba yama-subteams wenza late. But mathi wenza late, wenza wrong. Iqala lapho i-problem yethu. So going to the derby, I expect if things are not working, 45 minutes is enough during the game.
Yeah.
To understand what's going on. 45 minutes, then coming to the second half, you can't wait until 70 minutes.
Exactly.
Especially if you are losing, why you wait for 70 minutes? Change things. Try option B. Technically, you should have studied your opponent. Now we want to okay, which position is lacking, then you do the right thing. But she doesn't do that. So going to the derby, that is why we need players, both teams. I feel like without coaching being involved.
True.
You know,
I want to be number one. So
exactly.
we must show what is it that we mean when we say we want to be number one. Enye into with you guys, I'm just adding because ibhola siyalibuka. The substitutions, amanye destabilize the team.
Exactly.
It doesn't really look like the coach
trying to.
You can't compromise in midfield.
Okay. At the same time, with one sub,
guys.
At the same time, keep 3.
All the midfield does abakade kunikeza i-control game when you are saying I'm risking the game now, because some of the substitutions masodliwa, you are just risking the game. It's like fuck a striker who's not really gonna hold up the play, kodwa you know what, okay, ekhanda umnandi or just scoring, you do that.
You keep it defend for strike. You want to win the game. Okay, but 3.
Yeah.
And the game was in control. So all of them taking them out. What are we trying to do? So those little substitutes are wrong. Can cause it that.
Yeah, true. Coach Beno, I think they look like about pre-season who are still trying to find combination.
Game 16.
Yeah.
So, but you still
it's not even game 16 because there are a lot of games
that imagine
6 games we have exactly.
Play
so it's really yeah,
but I'm looking forward to a very good derby that we're gonna experience.
Yeah. May the best.
Who's winning it?
Or you want us to predict?
Who's winning it?
Obviously, we are rivals. I cannot say you are winning it. It's obvious. You can say, you can. I think what is the score prediction? I would was winning it. Obviously, it's a mere win.
Okay.
When you think I'm getting cognitions and James again, the Kaizer Chiefs will win it again. I can't say that. Score.
You know what I like? We told you to win that. Regardless of everything that we spoke about, which technically, whatever, but in fact, it is also to and none of us have no game.
True. It's a game of consequence.
So can you see a draw? Can you see a draw?
I don't see a draw.
See a team winning. You see goals.
How? Okay. Mina, we are winning 2-0.
So
1 by 1. We are winning 2-0.
I'm one goal FC. So he's saying we are losing the game 2-0. Just gonna score it in only 1.
Predict the score.
I'm just asking.
Predict the score, and then we'll come back and argue about the score after that. Predict the score. Don't say
I'm gonna punish you 1-0.
Okay, no problem.
1-0.
You heard it.
Makosi, you can comment.
You heard it.
You can comment, Makosi. Say win the game. Comment it away.
Guys, naniyazi babhakaniya. Sidlulile isinkwa sethu lesi semihla ngemihla. Sizokwenza njalo futhi Sizokwenza njalo futhi as usual bafowethu. Nothing changed this time around. Ningathuswa ibona. Baney'nkinga serious. But yeah, for the goodness of the game, guys, engathi everything goes well,
Yeah.
security wise. Abantu bangawatshontsha amafoni estadium.
Yebo.
Come on, man.
Yebo.
Yeah, kube nje good atmosphere. Even the guys must deliver for us. I thank you.